Alright, so this is CryptoKingJAY back with another video. And in today's video, I just want you to know that I am not a financial advisor. I'm not giving anyone financial advice. I do personally invest in Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. Everything you hear on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. And I just want you to know that if you do choose to invest, you have the potential to lose everything. So with that in mind, let's get into today's video. We're going to go over some crypto news, just some things that I see that are just building up for this first quarter, maybe second quarter of 2019. These first 6 months, let's just put it like that. These first 6 months of 2019, some more infrastructure that's being built, some just some moves that are being made. So the first thing I want to go over is just some news coming out of South Africa. So the main reason why I'm even going over this is just because as we move into this upcoming year, into this first 6 months, a lot of the infrastructure, number one, it was built last year. A lot of the infrastructure for the crypto market booming was built last year, but there's still some things that need to be worked out. So in South Africa, as the article is titled, I'm going to leave the link to all these articles in the description. South Africa creates regulatory working group dedicated to crypto and blockchain. So this article is not too long, so I'm actually just going to read it all, but there's one point I definitely want to touch on. So the country's revenue service is considering altering its tax return forms to include cryptocurrencies. The South African government has created a crypto assets regulatory working group to investigate the potential of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Per the report, the group includes representatives from the Financial Intelligence Center, Financial Sector Conduct Authority, and Treasury, as well as the Reserve Bank and the SA Revenue Service. So, yeah, I'm actually not going to go over it all because you guys get it. But so one of the points I did want to touch on, though, is back in May, it was reported that 47% of citizens in South Africa plan to invest in cryptocurrency. That's huge. Like, that's huge for any nation. I don't care if, you got a nation of 100,000 people. If half, damn near half your population is, already thinking about and, familiar with cryptocurrency and thinking about investing, what do you think that says for the future? I mean, if half of people are doing it, you best believe the other half is going to start doing it, month, 2 months later when they realize, oh, I might have missed the boat. So let me try to get on, while it's already pulling away. And it's just simple, not simple, but it's just the fact that we have a country as big as South Africa. South Africa is not a small country. And they have half of their population already into crypto, or at least, into the idea of investing in it. That's huge, guys. That's huge for every country because, their money is going to affect the markets in our country since it's all one global market now with, the cryptocurrency industry. So next, I wanted to go over some news coming out of South Korea. So crypto payments coming to 6,000 outlets across South Korea. So South Korean cryptocurrency exchange Bitthumb and mobile payment service provider Pays are partnering up in order to bring cryptocurrency to 6,000 outlets by mid-2018. So this, obviously, guys, obviously it's 2019 now, so this is some old news, but I just wanted to bring this up because this is just another country where we see the cryptocurrency move really coming in. It's coming in strong. So right now, this has already been implemented. There's already 6,000, businesses in South Korea that are, accepting crypto for payments. And I'm gonna touch on this a little bit more in another video. I'm probably gonna drop tomorrow. But right now, I from what I read yesterday, the figure was like 15,000 businesses that they had, signed up to exchange. So that's huge. Once again, that's huge. That's more and more adoption of cryptocurrency, not just in the US, not just in South Korea, but globally. And that's what we're looking for here, guys. So next, I wanted to go over a little bit. So this, I don't know if you guys are too familiar. I haven't talked about it on my channel at least too much, but the DX.Exchange. So this is one of the new digital exchanges that's, in my opinion, is probably going to be one of the leaders because they're partnering with the big money. They're partnering with, Nasdaq, Bloomberg. They have CNBC talking about it, MSNBC talking about them. So in this article, it goes over a little bit about what they're going to do. So I'm I'm just going to go over this a little bit. So Google and Facebook, third-party blockchain tokenization imminent. So the Facebook has not yet dived into crypto officially, but you might soon be able to own Facebook stock as a security token. The DX.Exchange, a new marketplace for digital currencies, has announced trading for tokenized securities, allowing trades of Google, Facebook, and Amazon shares as easily as any ERC20 token. So the Estonia-based exchange, powered by Nasdaq's market matching software, will go live on January 7th. So 4 days from now, guys, this is going live. The initial virtual stock offering will comprise 10 Nasdaq-listed companies, with plans to expand to companies listed on the New York, Tokyo, and Hong Kong stock exchanges. So just like everything that I've been saying in this video and all my past videos, it's about the setting up for what's to come. If we have, a parent company or, a company partner with the New York Stock Exchange, offering these tokens as security tokens, of course. And I just want to point out one thing, and it's actually in this article. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah. So one thing to note about this, though, like it says here, while the tokens on DX.Exchange represent real company stock, that does not necessarily require the company's involvement. So instead, a third-party custodian, MPS Marketplace Securities, will secure company stock and issue the ERC20 tokens via smart contract, much like fiat-backed stablecoins. So just like USDT, and other stablecoins. So this is not going to be there's not going to be a Facebook token. There's not going to be a Google token, but you can buy tokens that represent that stock, if that makes sense. So you're not buying, like I said, there's no Facebook token, but the new ERC20 tokens are going to represent a holding of the stock. So it's very similar. It's just, the technicalities of it all, really. But once again, it just tells us that we have some of the biggest players in the world moving into this industry. The DX.Exchange is also going to, be open up to institutional investors as well. And with the type of people starting that exchange, and having the connections and the friends they have, you best believe that there's going to be millions and millions of dollars flowing through that exchange specifically. I say on day one, and I wouldn't be surprised if, at the end of this year, it's probably going to be Binance and DX.Exchange, battling head to head, unless there's some other big player that comes out with the backing of, their network. I feel like besides that, there's no other way for, another company to kind of get the reins at this point. So that's all the news I'm going to go over for now. I'm going to be dropping, of course, the HODL report. I'm going to drop that right after this video. So once again, guys, I appreciate you checking out the content. Leave a like on the video, comment down below, all that good stuff. This is CryptoKingJAY. Gotta wait, but now I'm out.